Today I'm going to show you how to cook a whole chicken in your air fryer, and today I'm going to be using COSORI Dual Blaze, but you can do this in whatever air fryer you've got. So let's jump straight into this one.
1 Pizza 2 Ready cooking and unboxing videos.
And this really couldn't be any simpler. And today I'm going to be using a 2.2 kilo whole chicken. It's from Aldi. Nothing fancy, just their standard 2.2 kilo chicken. So this is classed as a medium to large chicken from a supermarket. The reason I've got a 2.2 kilo chicken is because the COSORI Dual Blaze, which I unboxed last week, check the video out here in the link above me. It says that it can do a 2.2 kilo chicken, whereas in the Ninja Dual Zone basket, the video that I've got here just next to me, where I did a whole chicken a couple of years ago with nearly 1 million views on that video, you can only fit about a 1.8 kilo chicken in. So I'm interested to see if this one can cope and if it can cook it in the same amount of time as the Ninja did, because this is dual blaze technology, so it has an element at the top and on the bottom. It's also smart connected, so we can check on its progress on our phone or by asking a Google or Alexa assistant. So let me move you in a little bit closer. I'll run through what we're going to do and how we're going to do it, and we're going to get this in to cook. So we've got the chicken. I have gone through, I've just made sure I've taken the feathers out. A little top tip and criticism from the last one I did. So I've taken that on board, thanks everybody. And I've got 2 tablespoons of oil. This is just standard vegetable oil. And all I'm going to do is give that a little coating. And I'm going to use one hand on the chicken, I'm going to keep one hand clean, and I'm just going to rub the oil all over the top of the chicken. And then I'm going to go on with a little bit of cracked black pepper. You can use whatever seasoning you like, peri-peri seasoning, herbs, anything you want. But I am going to go on with some sea salt, and this is the secret to nice crispy chicken in an air fryer, is plenty of decent salt. So we've got the top done, and I'm going to flip it over, and I'm going to do the same on the bottom side too. A little bit of pepper and a little bit of salt. I'm going to move these away. I'm going to open the drawer up, and you'll see in the Dual Blaze it is a nice big basket. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this chicken in upside down so the breasts are pointing down, okay? And you know what, there's plenty of room in this Dual Blaze. I think you could have even got a bigger chicken in this, maybe a 2.6 kilo to a 2.8 kilo easily in this. So what I'm going to do next, I'm going to put it in with my clean hand that hasn't been touching the chicken, and I'm going to set the air fryer. But before I do that, I'm just going to have a quick tidy down and wash my hands. So now I've had a clean up and a tidy, all I'm going to do is I'm going to press power on top, and I'm actually just going to press chicken, and then I'm going to press air fry. Dropped it down to 180, and that's degrees Celsius, and I'm just going to keep my finger on this now, and I'm going to knock this up to, I'm going to go for 55 minutes. There we go. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to press start, and in a minute I'll show you the what the phone app says as well, because this is connected to the phone app. Yours may not be, but 55 minutes. I'm going to come back to this after half an hour, and we're going to flip the chicken the other way up so the breast side is on the top. So let's go for it. So you'll just see on the screen now the app says, and obviously the air fryer says there's 31 minutes left, and we're just heading to the 30-minute mark now. Okay, 30 minutes gone, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to open it. Oh, and it has just caught the top just coming out, but it's alright, because what we're now going to do, if I move this back a bit, so you'll be able to see it's just caught the top as I pulled it out. So now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to turn this over, okay? And drop that back in the basket. And what this is now going to do, it's going to crisp up this top and finish cooking the breast. So back in. And I'm going to leave that for the final 30 minutes on the timer. So join me shortly. So we have 1 minute remaining or less. We're down to about 30 seconds now on the timer. And there we go, it's just finished. So let's pull it out and see. Oh, nice. That looks pretty good. And I've just got a little probe. I'm just going to probe the centre of the chicken. I'll stick a link to this in the description below. This was about £6 off Amazon, so if you don't have a probe, it's definitely worth getting one. And all I'm going to do is I'm going to probe straight into that chicken breast, into the thickest part, and we're going to see what temperature reading it says. And we're looking for anything above 75 degrees, and it's just climbing up to that point now. There we go, 75.3 and climbing, 75.5, 75.7, so it's still going up, but well worth getting one of these if you don't have one. So it's nicely cooked. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get it out and we're going to slice it and we're going to see what it's like. I'm going to give it a little taste. So I'm going to get the knife and I'm going to cut some of this off and let's have a look. And a little serving suggestion, little bowl of onions and carrot fried off with a little bit of couscous. So let's have a little look. And this is super duper hot, but it's really, really moist and it's really, really juicy. So I'm going to have a little taste. Let's have a little taste. Absolutely fantastic. So just again while you're on, another beautiful slice, red hot. I can't wait to eat this. And I've got people inside in the house and they know what's cooking out here and they can't wait to eat too. And sliced with these super sharp Ninja knives. Now let me know in the comments below, have you cooked a roast chicken in your air fryer? Have you got a COSORI air fryer? Let me know in the comments. And have you found any difference using the dual blaze type of air fryer? I'd be really interested to know. Until next time everyone, please make sure you are subscribing to the channel and head over to my Facebook page and Instagram page, One Pizza Too Many, and also my air fryer page is called Ninja Foodie World on Facebook. Nearly 10,000 strong and growing, loads of hints, tips, air fryer recipes, so hopefully I'll see you over there too. Until next time everyone, thanks for watching.
One pizza too many.